Hey everyone, you can't see my face today, but welcome to my channel. And the weird noises that you hear are from these Gaerne GX1 Enduro boots. I've had them for a while. I've ridden 2 to 3 off-road rides with these, and this is the weirdest noise that I've seen the boots make. I have had the Fly boots before this, and they say these are far better than the Fly. Of course, these are Italian made. They do say it's made in Italy. They fit really well. They're slightly on the larger side. So I usually wear a size 9, but I had to get a size 8 for this. But you hear the noise? So basically what is happening is there's a hinge here. Not sure if you can see. Yeah, there's a hinge here, and every time this hinge moves within this space here, this space, it makes that weird noise. That's what I feel. There. This is the weirdest thing I've seen in a pair of boots. I mean, I've had the Fly for a few rides. I've used it for a few rides. I in fact used it for touring Arunachal as well. But that didn't make any noise. But anyway, a noise is something that I shouldn't be complaining about as long as it protects, my foot when riding off-road. The steel, what would you call it? The steel thing is still, I don't know what you call it. Let me know in the comments if you know what it's called. It's still there. It's pretty good. It helps clear branches or roots or rocks if you hit it, so it saves the rubber sole. So that's one great thing. Very, very comfortable boots though. These are a lot more comfortable than the Fly racing that I had. So anyway, I wanted to just share with you the noise this boot makes and give a quick 2-minute thought of this boot that I've been using for a while now. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you do find the content helpful, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.